going to show you how to properly sweep your floors. All you're going to need is a broom of some sort and a dustpan. And it doesn't matter if you do not have a dustpan. I'm going to show you what I used to do when I was younger. So when I was younger, we would just take a piece of paper and we would put it on the ground and make sure it was flat. And then just gently sweep all of the excess lint from the floor onto the piece of paper. So it doesn't matter what your floor looks like. For example, here's my kitchen. Here's my dining room area. Here's my living room area. Here's my bathroom. Even though they're all different, you're going to start and end the same. For me, I like to start around the perimeter of the room and get under all of the appliances, if I can, all the way around the edge. And then I just sweep everything from the edges into the middle. And then I just kind of start and make an aisle, sweeping down this way, go over this way, sweep down this way, go over to the edge, sweep down this way. And then I have everything in a pile here. All right, so I just wanted to quickly show you how to properly hold the broom. So you have this thin area here, and then you have the broad area. It's kind of like painting the ground, right? So you're gonna start sweeping this way. Apply a little bit of pressure so that the edges kind of bend, and then drag all the trash from wherever you're sweeping to wherever you need to go and pick it up. All right, so let's put it all together right now. I'm going to start sweeping all the way around the edges. Make sure you get underneath the cabinet, and now I'm going to bring everything down the center. I'm going to make a little bitty pile, and now it's time to pick it up. Even if you're using a broom like this, or what I would call a dust mop, it's the same type of actions, nothing changes. So we're going to start going all the way around the perimeter, and you're just going to drag all of the lint. Be really careful not to miss any. And then just kind of shake it out right there. And then you're going to come right here in the middle, push everything this way. And this kitchen's real small, so it's really easy, all right? Super, super, super easy to use. But you do have to wash this one more often. Now, the kitchen's finished, but what happens if you're over here and you're in the dining room? You may have to move the chairs out of the way and move the table back and forth so that you can properly sweep the whole floor. But again, it's still the same. Go around the edges, sweep everything into the middle, and then come and bring it out in little rows. Put it in a pile and pick it up with your dustpan, and you're all done.